Oh hey look, there are fruits here. There are bananas, grapes, apples and oranges. It looks delicious. But wait a minute, the train is about to run. So let's get the train running. Oh no, red light. What should we do? And wait a minute, is that a lever? Looks like it needs to be pulled. Let's pull that lever. Hey look, the road is open, but the light is still red. What should we do? Aha, look, there is one more lever to pull up there. Okay, done. Time we walk, let's go. Oh hey look, there is a big pineapple there. Oh no, there is also a monster here, run away. Oh, there is also a balloon there, let's see that. Wow, let's see, we have arrived at the first station and here our time is short. Oh wait a minute, we have to load this train first before the road. What is the load? Oh, it turns out that the oranges that we will carry later. I think this much is enough to carry. Time to continue the journey. But before that, press the lever above it once again, yes. Oh hey, there's another really big pineapple here. Oh no, time to cross the suspension bridge. Here we are, careful friends. Well, that was pretty scary, but thank goodness it's over. And time to continue the journey. Hey look here, there are bubbles too, and there are a lot of them. Oh no, there is a cake in front of there, watch out. Yeah, this train hit the cake and made the train so dirty like this day. But hey, there is a second station ahead and we have to stop there. What kind of fruit do we want to bring? Oh, it turns out it's a berry and looks delicious. But it can't be, we have to keep going again and bring these fruits. Okay, continue forward. Oh, no more monsters here, run away. Hey, look at the road downhill, wow. Hey guys, look at that, there's water there. Time to take a shower, hooray. Wow, now it's clean again. Wow, we see a big pineapple here. Oh no, the red light is a sign that we have to stop. Don't forget to press the lever below and above, friends. Okay, it's time to continue the journey back, let's go. Oh, what a heavy train. Oh no, we meet again with the running monster. But hey look, the next station is already visible. And wow, this time what came out was an apple. I really like apples. Well, I guess this is enough time to continue the journey, yay. Wow, look at the big banana fruit there. Oh look, we have to cross the bridge once again. Here we have to be careful, friends. How it feels scary. But take it easy, we have passed this bridge now. Friends, see, the road is downhill now. Be careful, friends. Yay, we have reached our destination, friends. Thank you very much, yay.